I'll share with you a lesson from my free course where I teach how to sign the first 5 people paying you $97 per month into your Skool membership program, so you can start having, let's say, $500 per month of a monthly recurring income, and then you can go from there. I have a free course in my free Skool. You can find the link down below, and right now I'm gonna share with you a lesson that wraps it all together. What you should do right now to sign the first person paying you $97 per month. After you went through the 3 steps of my course, the first step is design or create your membership offer for which you can charge $97 per month. Second step is open a Skool platform that can host your membership program and you can charge people those monthly fees. And third lesson is how to sign the first 5 people paying you $97 per month, right? As part of this third lesson, right, I explain you how you can build a list of 20 to 30 people who you're gonna talk to. You're gonna reach out to them via DMs, and then you're gonna invite them for a call with you, and on those calls you're gonna sign them for $97 per month. In the lesson replay that I'm gonna share with you right now, I explain you how you should approach it and how you should start doing the work right now. And by the way, so this lesson can work, make sure that you went through the first 2 steps of my course that you can get in my free Skool community. Find the link down below and then start doing the work. If you only can sign 5 people paying you $97 a month for your Skool membership program, your life will change. You're gonna get that boost of energy. Your program is working, you have a recurring income now with your coaching practice, and you're gonna be ready to go to the next level of having 20, 30, 40 people paying you, and you're gonna have a full-time monthly income coming in. Enjoy my lessons and find the link down below to take the next steps. See ya. This is now a lesson that connects it all together. Do this work right now. Talk to people so you can sign the first 5 members paying you $97 per month. After you learned how to build a list and talk to people, you will need to now put it in action and start. Start now by going through the list of those 20-30 people who you wrote down on the Excel document that I gave you, or into the CRM software in the contacts list that I'm providing some of my members with, right? And start reaching out to the first few people from that list. Start by reaching out to the first person first. Reach out to them in the DMs, follow the script that I'm giving you and say to them, hey, I opened this support group, I would love to tell you more about it. Would you wanna go on a call with me so we can talk about it, right? Do that. Reach out to the first person first following my script, and then do the second one from the list, the third one, the fourth one using this same script. People will start replying to you right now. They will respond to you and you're gonna schedule calls with them. You will book the first few calls. If you only reached out to a few people, you're gonna then get on calls with them and do those calls, right? Analyze people's situation on those calls, and you're gonna explain to them the solution of how they can achieve that certain outcome that they really desire. And then you're gonna ask them the probing question, and you're gonna say to them, hey, would you wanna know how I could interact with you more often and guide you on this journey of you achieving the outcome? Question mark. And they're gonna say yes. And you're gonna then present to them the opportunity and so on, following the script that I'm giving you, and sign the first member. You're gonna sign the first person paying you $97 a month, and then you're gonna sign the second one and the third one and the fourth one, and you're gonna someday have 5 members paying you $100 a month. That's $500 coming in, covering all of your costs of running this program, and you're gonna be able to go to the next level then from 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 to 30, and you're gonna also start putting attraction systems in place through which now people can come to you. I teach these attraction systems in my Premium Life Mastermind course that teaches you how to put some systems in place for growth, building a team that helps you, building an email list, having a YouTube channel through which people come to your email list, how to run live classes, workshops for group enrollments, and a few other things like that, right? I teach you all of those things in my private Premium Life Mastermind. you won't succeed if you don't start doing the work right now. If you don't start talking to people, reaching out to them, talking to them, going on calls, right? You will never sign the first few paying you $97 a month. Okay, start doing the work. Down below this lesson is another lesson where I teach you how you can put a daily execution routine in place through which you do the work. So I teach you how to optimize your 2-hour per day routine through which you do the work. There is a bonus lesson down below this video. Continue with that, but start doing the work right now, every day. Keep reaching out to people and talk to them and sign people into your program.